Daddy is a gangster. 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 Daddy is a gangster.
July 1989, Daddy was born. He was brought to a home where he felt all alone. Even the money thoughts started rolling through his dome. Poor little Vato started feeling paranoid, so he decided to turn around and pack the fucking chrome. Teardrops falling from his eyes, just strolling through flickers on his cell phone. But people he admire, all of a sudden sparks a fucking flame to his lighter to try to see his future brighter, but he don't. So instead he takes another hit to try to get way higher, to see the vision he was hoping and desired. The only vision he got in his mind was one of a kind, the kind of vision that can make a Vato go blind. Now realizing he lost everything he ever had in his life, his family, his kids, and his wife. Now the only thing he could do was wait for the clock to tick, tick, tick at a time.